Welcome to the W Dubai the Palm. I'm about to show you the entry-level room at this fabulous hotel. This is a wonderful room. Stepping inside, you'll be immediately greeted by a beautiful, well-appointed restroom. You have shelving underneath and a comfortable rug. Then you'll find the water closet, as well as a nice soaking tub for your enjoyment. Again, this is the entry-level room, so what you're seeing in this room, you can definitely find in any of the other rooms as well. Welcome to the shower with detachable spray, rainfall shower head, and of course, some nice amenities for you to use during your stay. You'll find a vanity, as well as robes and slippers. Now, before we go see the room, I do want to show you the closet. The closet is nice behind these mirrors. You'll find drawers inside. You'll also find a second robe with ironing board and iron, as well as some slippers. But there's still one more. In the third section, you'll find your coffee and tea maker, all complimentary, as well as a digital safe, oversized digital safe, and more storage area. Now for the room. Notice how this wall just sparkles. You have a beautiful flat screen television, and this room is considered their double room. Now, it might say that it's twin beds, but I can confirm that these are double beds in size. You also have your own bar area. Forget mini bar, you get a bar. Now, the water is complimentary. However, if you would like to order, or actually not order, but use any of the drinks that come in the mini bar, you can. Just know that there is a fee for them. How you obtain the price is by scanning these QR codes right on top. There's also snacks available. Again, all pricing you can find on the QR code. Lots of beautiful sitting area. Now, what makes the wonderful room different from the other room categories besides the suites is the view. So this one would be considered a partial ocean view, so you do have the water over there in the distance. As you move up in categories, your view gets better and better. But as you can see, this is a gorgeous room. So no matter what room you get, you will be very comfortable. There's also universal plugs throughout, so you can charge your devices. And if you open up this, you can actually find 2 USB ports. If you have any questions about this room, or if you'd like to book, be sure to give Mayfield Elite Travel a call. And remember, I only travel elite.